disappear. I got the crazy power, swear to protect compatriots. This is end of the year, I am Eden Yeager, gonna be attacked on Titan. Don't be desperate, 'cause I am here. 戦え、戦え、復讐のため進め、進め、自由のため諦めないで、未来のために心臓捧げて進撃せよ。Have awakened from the innocence. The war is really grim and cruel. Nobody can run away. The bloody war is displaced. We are fighting for our own faith. I can't say they want justice. That's all they are demons. All of us just want